It's a fucking dance party. Welcome to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing here at the Gold Standard. We're here live to you on the morning drive, crypto talk, as I wake up 7 days a week at the crack of the dawn before the old sun comes up. And the rest of you fucking need to do it too, because you guys got problems and you guys got big problems. And the bigger guys got fucking heisted and shisted to the most extreme degree imaginable. Why? You didn't have a game plan. What was buy the hottest coin and the fastest mover to the upside? What shouldn't you do? That exact game plan that you fucking followed. And who are you following? These crypto gurus online that are there to institutionally promote you emotionally to force you to buy the top. And you fell into the trap again. You guys constantly fall into the trap. Just like I constantly drive to work in a foreign land 7 days a week when it's minus 16 Celsius, whatever the hell that is in Fahrenheit. You guys need to get your shit together, okay? You guys need a game plan. You guys got to understand the market cycle, and that's what we're trying to drive to you on the Crypto Morning Show, as we got 15 minutes every morning to talk markets, and you can see on what happened on Friday was an epic all-out collapse and a dump and a liquidation, and that's rule number one at the Gold Standard. Never, under any circumstances, trade leverage, ever. You only buy spot. You never buy leverage, and you accumulate bear markets or buying opportunities, pullbacks, right? This is a bear market. You should start accumulating in the bear market. You don't accumulate the bull market. Bear market, you accumulate, okay? That's step one, accumulate the bear market. We are in a significant bear market right now. That is a Gold Standard emergency message that I've been harping on since last January and February of 2025 after the blow-off capitulation top. We told you we were having a hyper pump with the Donald Trump-induced rally, and it was coming to a close at a euphoric stage. Just like last February when all of you lovely people started talking about the LCXs, the XCNs, and these obscure coins that I've never heard of going up 35 to 40x over 4 weeks. The Gold Standard said, sell! Because those are tops and those coins have no backing behind it and they must come down. It's a big bubble. The crypto sphere, like the Gold Standard at the detriment of his own channel for the last 5.5 years, it's a pump and dump market. You buy the dump, you ride the pump, and you get out. It's cutthroat. You got to get out. You don't buy XRP at 12 cents and sell it at 55,000. You buy XRP at 12 cents and you sell it over $1 and you 5x your money. That's what you do. You don't get greedy. If you get greedy, you get slaughtered and you end up right here where we are 1 year later, where you had fantasy gangs on paper only to watch them collapse out in front of you, right? Oh, we actually have a lot of people. We were up to 20 people on here, 25 people. That's incredible. But we're going to start doing this every morning because I work 7 days a week right now. We're going to do my 15-minute drive to work. We're going to do market analysis and what happened the day before. And we're on the market open of a new candle tonight. So it's going to be very exciting. Maybe we'll do a live. Talk to me. Let me know. Do you want me to do a live at night as the market opens? Not only on my drive to work, we got a live morning crypto show now that we're doing with 15 minutes here at 6:49 a.m. at the Gold Standard Radio mobile station and compound. We're talking bear markets. We're talking XRP accumulation zones, anything below 69 cents. You can accumulate below $1. You can do what you want. You guys are all grown men and women in the investing world, in the crypto sphere. But the Gold Standard, anything below 69 cents, the Gold Standard's going in, right? We're going in and we're going in big. If it gets down to 30 cents, we're going all in. XLM accumulation zones. You get below 7 cents, 10 cents accumulate, 7 cents mass accumulation, 4 cents the Gold Standard going all in. Bitcoin, it's going below 30,000. I'm convinced of that. Bitcoin's going below 30,000 because all these quasi-Bitcoin treasury companies like a MicroStrategies, he has bought so much now, his average price is near 80,000. He's probably even or almost underwater now on all that borrowed money. And most of these other companies, they went all in at 100,000, 105 when they started to mortgage the futures of their companies. And I expect a massive uh, feedback loop once these companies have to start selling. And I think that's going to bring the capitulation in this bear market, right? And that's what you got to understand. We're in a bear market. We've been in a bear market. We had a bear market trap that they laid down for you in June and July again, and you guys walked right into it. And you got to get out of that mentality. You got to get out of that rhythm. You got to get into what's really going on and how the market movers and the institutional traders and the one percenters walk away with all the fucking money, right? And that's what's really going on here. You guys buy the retail hype and then you sell the capitulation. And we're going to get you out of that mindset. We're going to get you into the 6:51 a.m. driving to work. But your driving to work's going to be driving home how to sell the tops or near the top, hopefully, and how to accumulate close to the bottom as possible. It's all about market cycle. And this cycle right now in crypto is bear. We're deep in winter, just like we're just about to pull out of the heart of winter here in the Northern Hemisphere in Southern Ontario, where I'm at, where we have about 20 inches of snow on the ground still because it's been very cold. We're about to be at a capitulation where we can start digging a bottom for a few months in crypto. And I feel capitulation coming soon. This was not capitulation, what you just seen. We might have a slight rally in the next couple of weeks, but this was nowhere near capitulation. But once we have capitulation, that's when you really can mass accumulate, as I believe there's a lot more downside, as a lot of people got bought into the trap, right? Thought you got lost in Canada. Nope, we didn't get lost in Canada. My weather page, I have a Facebook weather page on here. And also major announcement on here. Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing is on Facebook. It's a short version, easier to read. What I think more, go to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing on Facebook. It's got the gold buffalo. You'll know it. It's the gold standard on there. Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Follow me on Facebook. We only got 5 followers. We just started to we opened the page a few months ago, but didn't do anything with it. But I post stuff where it's easy for you to follow, and I can post a lot more stuff on there. So if you guys have Facebook, go to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing on Facebook. It's got a gold buffalo image with the gold standard, on there. Go follow me on there. And we talk market lows. We talk buying opportunities. We talk crypto manipulation. We talk leverage being lost. We talk daily moves, daily opens and closes, all kinds of activity going on there. And that's where you guys need to be on there to get quicker updates more rapidly, because it's easier for me to do on the fly as I'm driving and I'm working 7 days a week. I got people calling me. I got this Yenta and that Picasso over there, right? We got to deal with all kinds of nonsense. So go to the gold standard, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on Facebook, and follow me. And that's going to be the top crypto information retail trader book that you can find on how to trade the manipulated waters in a sophisticated way. Super simple and easy. But it's getting close to that time where my drive and the live morning show has got to come to an end, because we're pulling into this camp, and this camp is Camp Fort Oakville, and Camp Fort Oakville demands work, just like I demand study from you guys and dedication, right? And here's their security at Fort Oakville. We just give them a little wave. They don't even look. Some of the times they click a flashlight because it's dark right now at 6:54 in the morning on the drive, live gold standard radio show, right? And I need you guys to get on board, and I need you guys to follow the gold standard on Facebook, and you guys can 10x your trades the same way the gold standard tried to inform you on the Vincenzo ETF, the gold standard ETF, that at an average annual return of our 5.5-year-old of 35.5%, right? We 2x'd our overall, almost 3x'd the overall portfolio. Kinross Gold in at 421, out at 3850. 611%. Everything else was 2 to 6% X across the board. And somehow it looked like we sold 72 hours before the top, right? Follow the gold standard. Go to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, the gold standard on Facebook, and never miss a vital, time-sensitive market update that you have to have, and you must see, and you have to see and need in order to stay on top of these manipulated criminal waters Peace and love from the gold standard. I got to figure out how to exit out of